In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the timeline tool in Miro. All you have to do is look to the left hand side and you will find a plus. And here you can scroll down and look for timeline. Otherwise, you can search for it. But once you find it, click on it and you will now have the option to just simple draw your timeline or click to add your timeline on it. Now, you can just add it like this and manually work your way through. Or you can simply go ahead, let me just delete it. You can simply go ahead and click on timeline. It's going to expand on the right hand side and you can use the power of AI to write whatever it is that you need and it will allow you to create whatever. So that could be a project plan, it could be a Gantt chart, it could be a delivery timeline. I'm going to choose one, for example, Gantt chart, for example, as you can see, generate a Gantt chart and just basically have the AI generate it for you. So while you can build this manually, with speed, you can use Sidekick, which is the AI tool built into Miro, and just have it generate that unique and detailed timeline that you will need. And as you can see, it's going to generate for me. And there it is, guys. It's done. Let me just close the sidebar here. And this is pretty much it. And everything is fully customizable. Once it's added in, just click on add to canvas and it's there. And you can move it around and you can expand it if you want and just basically start fill in whatever details you want. As you can see, I'm going to click on it and remove some stuff. As you can see, it's fully customizable. All things within this is customizable. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.